Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by saving any files you need because resetting preferences affects the interface. Once done, open Edit, then Preferences so you're looking at the Settings panel. Make sure to scan add-ons and key map tabs. If you've customized anything important, export or note it now. You're preparing intentionally so the reset is reversible. This first step keeps you safe and focused, and it gives context for why the reset will change how Blender behaves after you finish. Now you perform the core reset. In Preferences, choose Load Factory Settings to restore default UI, keymaps, and add-ons. This removes custom tweaks. Next, go to File, Defaults, and Load Factory Settings to reset the startup file so opening Blender returns to stock layout. If you want the reset to persist, click Preferences, Save Preferences, then File Defaults, Save Startup File. You do this sequence to separate temporary testing from permanent. Finish by restarting Blender so all settings reload consistently. This ensures startup assets and add-ons initialize with defaults. If you still see odd behavior, make sure to close Blender and delete the user configuration folder. On Windows, use %appdata %\blender, and on Mac OS/Linux, remove ~. Config/Blender, then reopen. If deleting the config doesn't help, reinstall Blender to replace potentially corrupted program files. One key troubleshooting tip: back up the config.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.